slide number 42. We learned simple time, duple time. Simple time is 3/4. Duple time is 2/4 as well as 4/4. And we learned compound time. That is your 6/8, 9/8, 3/8, 12/8. Now, other time signature. This is mostly used in Indian music. So it's called 7/8. 7 means the 7 beats of quaver, and bottom one stands for quaver. So there will be 7 beats, but the counting will not be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. The way it is understood, the way it is played, the way it is sung. So that's called phrasing. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was 7 counts, but it was referred as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the way it's grouped. This is the way understand we will play. Like so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. A simple example is of the most romantic song from Abhiman, Tere Mere Milan Ki Jo Rehna. So this is the example of 7/8 song. There are number of songs that you will come across, and we also will be teaching. So how to understand the 7/8 rhythms. Another example is a song Aapki Nazaron Mein Samjha. That's the 7/8 song.